It's like freezing cold outside. There's a good layer of ice on the car. But the deer... Blue kid. We gonna go buy a welder? Huh? We gonna buy a welder?
Yeah.
Rena, we gonna go buy a welder?
Yes.
Haha, finally. Like Rena said, because Raya said no, we're going to buy a welder. A welder! And the gas and all that stuff too that needs to go with it too to make it work. So, small delay. Big delay, kind of. What it was we went in to get the tank, and I meant to drop the paperwork off earlier just in case there was delays. And there's a delay. They have to do a credit check, and it's not like it's a quick instant. I think all they do is call your bank and see if you like overdrafted before. I have no idea what they do. Beats me. I didn't get a notice of a credit check, but they did something. Somebody had to approve the account. So I had to wait till the next day, which is today. Yesterday, technically, I guess, because it's in the middle of the night. I'm going to move the tank, which will sit here. The welder will sit here. One issue, 220s across the wall. Sucks. Right now, I'm not having a roller cart. I was going to buy one from Airgas, but then I was like, you know what would be more fun is if I can kind of figure this out and just build my own. You know, I've got a lot of scrap metal around here, so I can come kind of close to building my own. So why not see if I can build my own? But for now, I'm going to figure out the distance. Like, we'll get the welder set up, run the cable as far as we can, and see how close it comes. And then I'll have to build a little extension box, which is fine. I built them before. I built one for the MiG, and then my brother stole it and took it down there. Actually, I might go do that. I might go steal it back. Oh, I ran out of steam. Slippery ass damn floor. Alright, now let's start getting some stuff out of this box. Instruction manual, which we might actually read. Oh. Box 1, box 2, styrofoam, and there it is. Not too bad weight-wise, I guess. Whew. Let me quickly go over everything that I bought in the last, day. The tank, which you saw me carry over, the TIG. I wanted to try these gloves. I'm probably going to go to Airgas and buy one of their $15, $20 sets. Because it's a freaking large. They're probably too big. They will be a little uncomfortable. And I actually bought this. It's their little 5-inch bench grinder. It'll be good for tungsten. The reason I bought a new grinder, I didn't use my good, I think it's a 8-inch. I don't want to burn it up, and I don't want to destroy those big wheels grinding tungsten when I can burn these up, and they're like a quarter of the price, half the price, the wheel replacements. I bought some ER70S-2. And that's just like a steel filler rod. I bought that in 3/32. It's too big to do the door panels, stuff like that, or the panels in the car. Point is I'm trying to learn right now. So I bought it. I also bought a matching set of E3 purple tungsten. And I didn't buy this. Well, I bought this, but we bought this like a week ago. It was a package of miscellaneous flapper discs. Just gotta clean the metal. Okay. Let's dig into this. I'm using, funny thing, these go up here to hold this in, right, and the little protection lens is here. Yep. I don't think it'll be such a big deal once I get this in the washer in, but this, and this isn't enough space that this nut hits this. So I'm going to put one of these giant spacer things behind it and see if I can keep it spaced out. I think that's really stupidly ridiculous that like they can't even have a tool that goes together without hitting the own wheel that comes with it, because this right here came with this grinder. Yeah, see, now that'll work, see? And it's still awfully close. It still almost needs a longer bolt and be spaced more this way. I understand that the tool guide's here to guide the tool this way. I don't know, I may end up flipping these so that this is on the outside edge, so, well no, that might give me, I don't know. The point is I don't know what the point is. Don't ask me. Trying to wait till this thing kind of stopped going, but dang, it took forever. It's not bad for my first time. We'll see how it welds. So I did exactly what I said I was going to do. See if I can find it. Give me a big of the tungsten. I knew I would. No big deal. I just dipped it a second ago. So let's see. I started with that. And idiot didn't turn gas on. And then kind of played with that. And moved up here. And then right there. And then got the settings decently right. But as you can tell, I still need a lot of practice. Obviously, I mean, these are literally my first TIGs. So, that was kind of fun. The first time it arced up, yeah, you can tell, I was like, what the hell? Because the arc was flying all over the place and acting stupid. And then I was like, duh, gas. So I set the gas, and I set it to 15. I have no idea what that really means. It's like liters per minute or something like liter. Yeah, I don't know. It's something per minute, I think, which might be too high. I'm gonna obviously go in tonight and do a little bit more research on how much gas you need to run with what types of metal and stuff, because this stuff, I might try to buy another sheet of this, because I'm gonna be welding quite a bit of this, and then do some stacks, some 90-degree stacks, and weld along the side. But I think this is good. I think it's gonna be cool. Obviously, I'm gonna need 16th inch. I have a 16th gray tungsten, which will probably be good for all the body stuff, because it's just got to be thrown in and then grind it off. So it's not like I need to go out, or I'll go out and buy a pack of 16th inch E3. I'm playing with the gray tungsten right now just because it came with it, and I'm making the assumption that I'm going to destroy it, which I'm starting off pretty good already destroying it, because when I was working on that last weld, like right at the end, I freaking stuck the filler rod to the edge of the tungsten. So that's why you have that boogery spot there, and I was like, crap, and I just went ahead and stopped. I was going to weld right up to the edge. There are some habits I need to get into. I'm used to like MIGging. You weld, and then when you're done, you're done. You don't exactly have to sit there and let the shielding gas. So I got to figure out on the pedal how to back stop and let the shielding gas keep going without an arc. I know with like the way more expensive welders, you can set a pre-gas to arc and an after-gas after arc. So like if I pull my foot off the pedal, the arc will stop. It'll spray gas for 5-6 seconds, and then you pull the torch away. I mean, you can hear it hissing, and then you pull the torch away, or you count, or whatever, or the machine ticks or something. I don't know. But I don't think you can do that with this one. I make the assumption this isn't like some $4,000 welder or $2,000 welder. It was $899 and $936 after tax. So, and I'm not going to complain. It comes with a bunch of stuff. I think I need to use the bigger cup for this, maybe. I don't know. I need to research in which cup I should actually be using for different setups. Yeah, I boogered the shit out of that tungsten. I'm gonna have to cut it. And then how to set the depth out, because I think I might be able to pull that out just a little bit further. I know, like they said, the smaller the gas chamber thingamajigger head, the like further you can pull it out a little bit. I know with like a gas lens, I think is what they call it, you got to use more gas, but it runs it through like a mesh screen filter that makes it more even, more directed, so you can pull the tungsten out even further, which I may get one of those just because of the roll cage, but I don't think I'll need it. I think the way the cage is being designed, I'll have plenty of space, because this thing will have full interior in it, and the cage is gonna kind of meet up with the interior. I know it sounds complicated now, and it's gonna be complicated to build, but it'll make sense once we start building out the interior. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go in, finish a little bit of work that I got done, get some sleep. Tomorrow I'm gonna get some acetone, get a couple other things, and then we're gonna continue this.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.